Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Samantha if you're new here, and I talk about rescuing things to resell online for a profit. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video. It helps me a ton and I appreciate you guys so much. I'm very excited to bring this video to you today. I'm actually unboxing an entire pallet. If you can see, like a little bit, it's as tall as me almost. And this is my first time ever getting a pallet. The pallet is bath and bedding and I got it from BULQ.com. And I've purchased from them before, but typically it's just huge boxes from BULQ. And today I bought a pallet, well not today, I bought it like a week ago and I finally got it today, so I wanted to do the unboxing so you guys can see what's inside. But there was 62 items in this pallet and I paid $538 with an average of $8.68 per item. So I know I can make my money back and then some, so I'm very excited to show you what I got. I am having to do it outside just because the pallet is so large. We don't have a pallet jack and we really don't have anywhere to put it. So I'm gonna be doing this unboxing outside, so I apologize if you hear cars going by or anything like that and you kind of see my garage. It is a bit of a mess. I'm gonna be having a garage sale in a few weeks when I start to feel better. I've kind of been under the weather, so I'm trying to recoup and start feeling better from that. But I also got my hair done. I hope you guys like it. I'm in love with it, but it's been a few months because of everything that's been going on. You know, there hasn't been any beauticians open. So again, guys, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, I had to rip the box up a little bit because it was like all the way up here and I would have to get a step stool to look in. But let's go ahead and check out what we got in here. So this is a Coleman 18-inch queen mattress. I think those go for like 40 or something like that. So if I put 25 on it, I'll probably get 20, and at $8.68, there we go. I already made 3 items worth, almost. Ooh, look at this really awesome Frozen full queen quilt sham. This will do amazing because, you know, Frozen 2 just came out. Another, let's see what size it is. 88 by 92, I believe that's a queen size. So it's another just silver bedding set. Or just the comforter, I should say, not bedding set. I don't think the other things are in it. This is an all-position gel pillow. Looks like pillow front, just a bedding set. I'm not sure what size it is, so I'll have to open it and figure out in just a little bit. Another pillow with no casing. This will probably be a garage sale item. Looks like another bedding fitted sheet set, and this one is a queen. Now I bought this one just because I do have smaller items that I piece out, but I'm looking to sell bigger items so that I can make more money with less items, so that it takes less time for me to list, less time to ship if I sell one item versus multiple. But I also like to keep multiple smaller items that sell for 5 to 10, just because you don't always make a big sale. So you want to have like an average of some smaller items, some larger items, so that you have all avenues to make some money. The pillow, dual layer pillow, soft and surprise Casper. I've never heard of that, so I will definitely have to look up comps on that one. This awesome comforter set. I'm running out of room, so I may have to pause this and get some more room. This is a air mattress. It looks like the box is open, but it is another queen. So another twin air mattress. These will do well, especially right now in the middle of well, at the beginning of summer, I should say, not middle. Another bedding set, king sheets. maybe keeping that one because we just got a king bed. Another set of fitted sheets. King. King does awesome. It's hard to find. This looks like just curtains. Yeah, project curtains. Some more fitted sheets. And this side is full. So this guy is like extremely heavy. I have no idea what it is. Oh, you know what? This is that blanket that's a weighted blanket for if your kid has like ADHD or something, some kind of disability, that it's really nice to wrap them up in it and they feel comfortable. I shouldn't say disability because it's definitely not a disability. My daughter has ADHD, but this might be something for her in the wintertime, but it's heavy. All right, guys, I'm back. Made some more room. All right, it looks like these Aller Ease, just mattress pads. This one's 2 queens here. Some more fitted sheets. What is this one? King. And this one is queen. Another one of those Aller Ease queen mattress pads. And some fitted sheets. These ones are king again. Hello Front quilt for a little baby's room or a kid. Another comforter set. Looks like this one is just full to queen. I really like the burgundy, or not burgundy, but teal color. So it looks like another sheet set, and this one is full of really fluffy pillow. This one may be gifted to my daughter. Down alternative comforter. This is a full and queen. Okay, so this box is definitely empty, I'm pretty sure. But I do see the piece right in there. So this is what it is. And that is inside this box here. Bam! That may be just a garage sale item because I'm not gonna want to ship that. All right, some Clorox toilet plungers. Again, definitely a garage sale item. This is why I haven't had my garage sale yet, because I want to put the extra filler stuff in it. And we got some curtains. Another just twin blow-up mattress. Room darkening curtain. And this is just king fitted sheet set. Yay, another one of these frozen beddings. These will probably sell extremely fast, so I can't wait to list them. I'll probably start listing tonight, honestly. All right, I gotta clear some space. I'll be back, guys. I'm back again. All right, so another fitted shade, or fitted sheet. This is a full. Another fitted sheet set, full again. And it looks like there's some pillow shams that might go with that last one too. This is a twin bed. yet another air mattress. This one is a twin. Ooh, cool, a whole comforter set. Let's see what size this guy is. This is king. All those comforter sets that are in the bag will do really well, especially locally. This is a twin comforter set. Looks like this one just fell apart, but it still has the little tag with it as well as the thing, so maybe I'll try to fold it back up. But it is a micro plush blanket. So get that bad boy up here so it doesn't fall on the ground or something. It's really soft, maybe I'll keep it. Okay, we're getting down to the bottom, so it's gonna be really hard for me to reach. But another one of these behind the bathroom organizers. Another fitted sheet set, and this one is queen. Some curtains, room darkening curtains. And this, I think, goes with that last comforter set, but it's like a long pillow. Maybe keeping this because it's for a king bed, it looks like. And again, we have a king. Twin flat sheet only. Okay, we're getting to the bottom and I can't reach from the side. This is just a corner organizer. And again, those might be just easier to sell at a garage sale versus selling online. This is Room Essentials Cali King set. So clearly this was open and they could not get it back in the bag, but this is a queen mattress topper. Again, local sell. There's 2 pillows in here. I'm just gonna leave those at the edge here. Wide padded ironing board cover. So another of those ironing board covers. And yet another queen blow-up mattress. And a box spring cover. So it looks like the cover for the bottom mattress or whatever. Another aluminum tension caddy for your bathroom. Okay, these ones are gonna be hard to get. Okay, this is a ultra soft fitted sheet. Another curtain, and waterproof mattress protector. Okay, so it looks like that was everything. Now my next chore is to count and make sure everything was in here, check the manifest so that I can double check that everything matches what I was promised. I'm gonna have to get all these listed, so I'm gonna have to take pictures. And then I'm also gonna have to describe the condition. So if, say, look at this one, it looks like they've gotten it out the bag and they just put it back in. So open bag, you know, I'm not gonna say new. Same with this one. Clearly they put them on or something or tried them out and they just didn't work or didn't fit the vibe they were wanting in their room. So yeah, it's gonna be a little bit of work, but more profit. I have an unboxing to do of like 100 clothing items and shoes. So I may do that one today if I have enough energy. If not, I may just finish editing this video, get pictures of these items, get these listed, and then work on the next box tomorrow. So I have 2 more boxes of 100 in each, so 200 items coming either tomorrow or Wednesday. I'm excited to get those out too, and it's mostly clothing, so this is different than what I'm gonna be unboxing later. and it's gonna take less time but more profit. For this, it's gonna take a little more time for that stuff in there and a little less profit depending on the brands and stuff. But again, guys, I'm on social media on Instagram, Facebook, Thrifty on a Dime, Poshmark, Macari, Kids In, Thrifty on a Dime. Check me out. And thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. I appreciate you guys for watching.